What's up, guys? So today we're going to talk about just kind of where merch is for a second. First off, I'll tear it up to 6,000. I was also given phone cases, so I'm starting to upload to those. So the big news of the week is that merch is expanding once again. They said we are excited to announce Merch by Amazon is now live in France, Italy, and Spain with the same product assortment available in UK and Germany. So what that means, I don't have access currently, but right now the UK has standard shirts, V-neck, tank tops, long sleeve raglan sweatshirts, pullover hoodies, zip hoodies, and pop socket grips. So you will see these guys here once we get France, Italy, and Spain. If you keep reading down, you will see that they have added portal languages for French, Italian, Spanish, and Japanese. So what that tells you is that Japan is probably coming. So that will be probably a huge market, especially for things like pop sockets and all that. I'm sure that will be like pretty major. I'm sure t-shirts will be huge, but pop sockets and maybe one day they'll give cell phone cases. But I just wanted to share that with you. And so if you're not like on this merch train, you need to get aboard and you need to start getting serious with it because it's expanding largely. So it used to just be the US.com, and now we're going to have a total of 6 marketplaces. So Q4, if everything pans out on merch's end, it should be a big Q4, bigger than we've seen in years past. So anyways, just wanted to give a quick update. If you're new here, I have a Facebook group called Merch On. I try to keep everything up to date as far as what's going on for merch news, and we talk about Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and KDP. So if you're not a part of that Facebook group, take a second and join. And also, please hit that subscribe button. I would like to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. If you could help me do that by hitting that subscribe button. Also, drop a comment below on what you want to see in a future video. Do you have any questions, specific software like BookBolt, Merch Informer, Affinity Designer, Affinity Publisher, designing on your cell phone, whatever questions you have, drop them below. I'm always looking for ideas on how to create the next video for you guys. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Merch on.